So, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some data recovery once you have deleted the file or a folder by mistake, or there is a crashed hard drive or a pen drive, and you need to recover data while you're using Linux operating system. So, we're going to use our system known as test disk. Test disk. So this test disk will help you recover all the data. In this file, I have created a sample folder, and in this sample folder, I'm going to create a file, and I will call the file sample.txt. Here it is. And once I've created this sample.txt, I'm going to delete it, and we can be able to try to recover it. So I'll come here to the test disk in my terminal. This is using Linux operating system. Then I'll click create. And once I click there, I'll select the hard disk that has that folder. I'm using the second one. Then I'll click Intel. Then I'll be able to say analyze. Once I click analyze, I will click capital P. No. Let's see, that is enter. Then I'll click list the files. I'll click P. Then I've saved it. It is in home. Then I'll say to my now username, it's in the documents folder. Then in the documents folder, there is the file as sample. Then it is inside the test folder. Then now I can be able to say let me see. I can be able to search. I want to for it to search so that we can see whether we can get the deleted file. H to hide the deleted file, Q for quit select the current file, copy the selected file, copy the current file. Let me try to check it. So it has taken me to another destination. Let me first quit. Let me go back